My video is about getting rid of the fake Chrome browser update alerts that come from the site Performrefinedheavilytheproduct.vip. So, Performrefinedheavilytheproduct.vip is a junk site which attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. This site, Performrefinedheavilytheproduct.vip, claims that your computer is requiring some Chrome update alert. It says that you need to update Chrome by installing some browser extension, but in reality, installing such extensions may represent risks because as a result of that, your Google Chrome browser may be infected with adware, with browser hijackers, and other threats. So be careful not to install any of such fake Chrome updates. This may lead to a lot of troubles. In case any fake Chrome updates were installed, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any third-party extensions if you find them. I also recommend researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.